Happy Halloween! Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, we will be making this beautiful, thick, lush, metallic Halloween wreath. Get a good look at it. Look at all that detail. I love this wreath so much. This is actually the very first wreath I've ever made and started my love for making deco mesh wreaths. And actually, this is a very budget-friendly wreath. All the material that you see here is around $10, $12 and can be found at the 99-cent store and Dollar Tree. I know, right? It's a steal. It's a steal. So let's get right into it and get to our material. All right, so here are all of our materials. I have laid them all out for you just in case you want to deposit. Grab everything you need and you can skip this whole part. I will also make sure to list everything you need right down in the description. Okay, first up, you'll need a cutting mat to slice up your deco mesh, a square wreath frame, I got this one from Dollar Tree, a rotary cutter, some scissors just in case you don't have a rotary cutter, a wire cutter. For our deco mesh, I'm gonna be using purple and black, and you're gonna need 3 rolls of each color, so 6 rolls total. Some wire garland, and I got some fun characters. I got some ghosts, spiders, bats, how pretty is this? Skulls, and pumpkins. How gorgeous is this orangey gold? I love this wire garland. It is so festive and so fun. And the fact that it is wire, it is a 2-in-1. I'm not gonna need any pipe cleaners for this deco mesh wreath, so I just use the wire to twist everything together and then twist it onto the wreath form. Some more garland, but some tinsel garland this time, just to give it that full thickness to it. And we have some fun characters in this as well. Now I only have 4 tinsel garland, but I do have 5 wire garland. And I know that's kind of off, but you know what? Halloween is odd. Halloween is freaky, and it's okay that it's just not gonna be perfect. I mean, come on, there's spiders, wire garland, but there was no spider tinsel garland. I have no idea why, but spiders equal Halloween, so I had to incorporate it into this. And lastly, a fun, ghoulish, scary metallic mask I also got at the 99-cent store, and some floral wire. And there you have it. Let's make our wreath. Okay, first we're gonna roll out our deco mesh and we're gonna slice it up at 9 inches each with our rotary cutter. Slice all 3 rolls at 9 inches. Same with the black, all 3 rolls, 9 inches. Now we're gonna cut up all of our garland, all of our tinsel garland at 9 inches as well with our wire cutters. Make sure you be careful, watch your fingers. We don't need a real scary story to happen today, right? I think these wire garlands are so cute that I think I'm gonna make one with just pumpkins, just bats with a different deco mesh and different other like burlap or something, you know, like just pumpkin theme or just bat theme. I just think they're so fun and so cute. And every time I see the Dollar Tree has it, I scoop them up. So if you are at the Dollar Tree in Gardena, I'm sorry. I'm probably the one that took them all. Okay, for our wire garland, we're gonna cut it at 24 inches each. Now my mat only goes up to 23 inches, but I'm sure from the front to the end of the mat that it equals 24 inches pretty much, so it's fine. And please, please watch your fingers, please. All right, now that we have all of our material cut, I'm gonna demonstrate how I'm gonna put it together. It's pretty easy, but I'm gonna show you guys how we're gonna put it together and then how we're gonna attach it to the wreath. And you can mix and match it however you want. Okay, so starting with our deco mesh, we're gonna be pulling it. Pull it, pull it, pull it. Do not be worried about it fraying, that is okay. We want it to be a little messy. It goes with the look. And then after we pull it, we're gonna cross it, just like that. And then you're in the middle of it, you're gonna add your tinsel garland. We're gonna use our little ghost guy. And then right smack dab in the middle, we're gonna halfway put our pumpkin garland or whatever wire garland you have. And we're gonna twist tie about 4 times or whatever, however many times you feel like is secure. There you go, ready to go. And then these wires, we're gonna be curling them after they're put onto the wreath, and that's just the one great thing about them is you can manipulate them to whatever shape you want. Okay, I'm gonna demonstrate this one more time, maybe 2 more times, just to make sure you guys got it. Okay, now we're gonna attach it to our wreath. So we're gonna tie in the wire on the top 2 parts of the wreath form. Just gonna fluff it out a little bit. Put it in at the bottom, just making sure that the tinsel garland is facing the table. We're gonna pull in the wire garland and we're gonna twist them together about 3 or 4 times. And I'm gonna loop through this wire so I can pull it out and then curl it later. Now I can curl my wire garland. They look like they're flying bats. I love it. Okay, we're gonna do it again with my skulls. Once again, we're gonna make sure we're putting it in at the bottom, but the tinsel is facing the table, lying flat on the table, because we wanna make sure that is gonna be on the front of the wreath. You could pull it through the wreath form, you could pull it through the top of the wreath form, whatever gets you the most of your wire garland to show off, you know, more material to be able to curl, the better. And just keep pushing it back just to get that nice thick fullness. If you feel like you're getting more at the bottom than you are at the top, just pull it a little bit so you can get that nice fluffiness on the outer part of the wreath. Okay, so we're gonna go back and check if any of our wire garland is not curled and just like take care of any loose ends. Make sure that we fluff out any of the tinsel garland and make sure that shows. I love the detail in this. I love all the characters. I think it's so cute. Look at this wreath. Look how full it is. It is gorgeous and amazing. I love it so much. Look at the back too. I feel like the back has potential. Like this is a wreath. Maybe 2023 wreath, you guys. Some Harlequin vibes, maybe, I don't know. Like this has potential to me to be another style of wreath. I really, really like it. Now it's time to attach our mask. Okay, so to attach our mask, I'm gonna cut some floral wire at 16 inches each. I only need to cut 3. So now I'm gonna attach our wire onto our mask. There's a couple slots on here, so it makes it super easy for me to just loop it through and twist it around. Okay, now to attach our mask to our wreath form, I'm gonna push away the deco mesh and push my floral wire through and just loop it around the wreath form and just make sure it's not like stabbing at someone's hand if they were to grab it. FYI, my mom hates the mask in the middle. She doesn't like it at all. She thinks it takes away from this like cutesy, fun Halloween vibe that the wire garland brings and that the tinsel garland brings. I agree, it's not as cutesy, it's kind of scary. The reason why I added it is because it has that metallicness, and I feel like the wire garland is metallic. All the garlands, they're all metallic, and I think they all kind of go together as far as color. Because when I showed her the wreath, she was like, oh, you messed it up with the mask. Ugh. That looks pretty good. That is pretty good. That's secure. That mask ain't going nowhere. And there we have it. Our wreath is done. What do you guys think? I love it so much. I personally, like I said, I love the scary mask. I think it goes with all these metallic colors. I think it's beautiful. And here's last year's. Actually, this is like 4 years old. This is the old Halloween wreath, and here is the new one right next to it. I think they are so great. I don't know if you could tell. The old one has a little bit of sun damage to it, so it's a little lighter. And the new one looks very rich in color. Here's Amy. Do they look alike? Anyway, thank you guys so much. Did I just snot everywhere? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and I hope you liked my little wreath. Ooh, shoot, my little wreath tutorial. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you would like to see more of me, please hit the subscribe. I hope you guys have a happy and safe Halloween. Have a fun time. Don't eat too much candy, and make sure you floss your teeth. Take care, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Ooh. I'm not mad at this. Stay tuned. 2023 wreath might be this, guys, and you know, we might do a giveaway. Ooh, that's really cute.